Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we got a really quick Dollar General deal that is going on. This is a deal that you want to move fast for. Not sure how long it's going to last, but this is amazing. So we have a 3-day sale that just started at Dollar General, and on that 3-day sale, these almighty packs that are $5 are buy one get one free. And we also have a brand new digital coupon that is buy one get one free. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine those two offers. So we're going to pick up 2 of the almighty packs for $5 a piece. That totals up to $10. Our buy one get one free sale should pay for one of them, and then the buy one get one free coupon should pay for the other one, making both items only a penny each. And the reason I say only a penny each is because at Dollar General, the store coupons won't make an item free. They usually make them a penny. So we're going to see if that works. If so, we're going to run and repeat it a few times. So I'm going to load up my digital accounts. So we also have some digital coupons for the all. You do not need those. All you need is the buy one get one free coupon. So I'm going to see how it works with no manufacturer coupons, even though I don't think it'll hinder it if you do have them, but just the buy one get one free. All right, you guys, so I have my all detergent all loaded up. I'm going to buy these 2 at a time. I'm going to use 4 different accounts, and I'm going to break up my transactions one by one. I'm just going to put up the 2 all, put in my phone number, let the sale apply, let my digital coupon apply, and then pay 2 cents per transaction if all works well. Let's see how this works out. All right, you guys, so everything worked out perfectly, and thank you to DG Saving with Sanders for posting this deal. So all I did was bought them 2 at a time. I just put up the 2 on the register, put in my phone number, and then let the sale and the instant savings apply. The order of operations does not matter. It doesn't matter if you do it before total, after total, any of that. Just put them up on the register, put in your phone number, and let the magic happen. They came out to 2 cents per transaction, and then I just rinsed and repeated that a total of 4 times. So I got 8 bags for 8 cents, you guys. That is amazing. So definitely get to the store and do this deal. I'm not sure how long it's going to last. Clip that digital coupon and go. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.